Welcome, warmly welcome, all of you guys who are watching this on Sunday. It is the extra part of our tonight's lesson of our show. It is the Unit 10B grammar and participle clauses. And you're watching this on Sunday, so that means I have been drinking this can of coffee since last night. So I have drunk it one day. Alright? Still drinkable. How long can it last? Maybe a week or a month? I'll drink this. Alright, so we will now go to the extra part. What we're doing in this extra part is to do the exercise number it is the exercise number 3 or number 5. Alright, it is number 5 on page number 95. Exercise number 5. Rewrite the participle clauses in the text as the relative clauses. So we have to identify the relative clauses. The participle clauses in the text in the exercise number 2. So after that, we will have to rewrite it into the relative clauses. So relative clauses, it is easy but longer. You have to pay attention to the grammar, to the how and when the occasion was happened. Alright, so we have the first example. So we have to find the sentences and the phrases which are the participle clauses. So now we'll find it. First sentence, the picture which is called this picture called boxing. So we have first one, it is which is called. Alright, so called boxing. So we will rewrite it into which is called. Alright, because it is past participle, and past participle only used in passive forms. Next one. Shows 2 men fighting on a skyscraper. So 2 men fighting on a skyscraper. So fighting, it is the present participle, and we will have to form it into the active verb. But let's see, what form can we form into? Is it present, or is it in the past, or is it in the future? We don't know. We have to find out right now. 2 men fighting on a skyscraper. So the picture which is called boxing, so it is still in the present. So shows 2 men who are fighting. Alright, who are fighting. So we will replace fighting into who are fighting. Alright, next. Who are fighting on a skyscraper? The man dressed in the matching shorts and t-shirts. Alright, dressed. It is the past participle, so this must be the passive form. So to form it into the relative clause, we will have to find out the occasion. Did it happen in the past, present, or in the future? The man dressed in matching shorts and t-shirts are very near the edge of the building. Alright, so we can argue in this situation we can also use both present or past, all acceptable. So I will use present simple. Alright, present simple passive. The men who are dressed in matching shorts and t-shirts are very near the edge of the building. So who are dressed will be formed into who are dressed. Alright, easy to tell. Number 5. Alright, next one. are very near to the edge of a building. The man wearing blue boxing gloves. Alright. Wearing. So it is the present participle. So this must be the active form. So let's read next. Is hitting the other man. So this is present simple. Alright. So we will write it into the man who are wearing. Alright. Present continuous. Who are wearing. Remember, can be formed in any form. Alright. Who are wearing us. Number 6. Who are wearing is hitting another man. Blah blah blah. Who is about to fall? Alright, who is about to fall? Nothing. This large picture measuring 76 blah 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 blah. So measuring, it is the present participle. So active form, which is measuring. Alright. Next one. It's one of a collection of photos currently exhibited. Alright. Exhibited. So that was the past participle. So this must be passive form. So are currently exhibited. Alright. Are currently exhibited. Alright, number 7. Next one. By photographer Li Wei in Hong Kong. Li Wei born in China in 1970. So, born in China. So this is a passive form. So, was born in China in 1970. So, passive. Alright. Born. Was born. And the last one, number 8. What is it? It's well known for his unusual and gravity-defying photographs, produced without the use of computer software. So produced, it is the past participle. So this must be the passive form. So it is are produced without the use of computer software. So are produced. Alright, so produce. Are produced. Alright, so that is all for our tonight's extra part. And thank you so much for watching. And if you're watching this, means you are very lucky, because I'm about to tell you that we're gonna have maybe a 2-week break. So then we'll be right back with more of a lesson. Brand new lesson. So thank you so much. Remember to review 10B and prepare for the next lesson. It is the Unit 10C, Culture, about music festivals. You will have to tune in at 7:30 p.m. on Saturday and Sunday of the Learn English website, because those lessons are really exciting. Alright, and very interesting too. Remember to watch. So that is all for tonight's extra part. Goodbye. I'm so handsome. Thank you for your service. You're welcome.